Explore. Use models to multiply. Remember that sometimes you need to regroup to add numbers. You may also need to regroup to multiply numbers. Find 3 times 26. Let's begin by using base 10 blocks to model 3 times 26. We can use 2 10s and 6 1s to show 26. Since we are multiplying 26 by 3, we need to show 3 groups of 26. Next, find the ones. There are 6 ones in each group. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. Since we cannot have 18 in the ones place, we will need to regroup. Let's count 10 ones to make a 10. How many ones are left? There are 8 ones left, so write 8 in the ones place. Now we can find the tens. Let's count the number of tens. There are 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, or 7 tens. Finally, write 7 in the tens place. So 3 times 26 equals 78.